Have you ever wondered why we age? Why does our skin wrinkle, our hair turn gray, and our energy levels decrease over time? Well, let's delve into the world of biological aging. Aging is a natural process characterized by physiological changes in cells over time. It's like a biological clock, ticking away, leading to the gradual decline of our body's functionality. This process can be categorized into two main types: intrinsic and extrinsic aging. Intrinsic aging is determined by our genetics. It's essentially the hand we've been dealt at birth. On the other hand, extrinsic aging is influenced by external factors like our lifestyle and environment. The food we eat, the air we breathe, the stress we experience, these all contribute to how quickly we age. While aging seems inevitable, understanding why we age may provide clues to slowing down this process. Scientists have proposed several theories to explain why we age, each offering a unique perspective. Let's dive into these theories to better understand this complex process. First up, we have the programmed theories. These theories suggest that our lifespan is predetermined, much like a ticking clock that runs down over time. Our bodies follow a biological timetable, perhaps regulated by our genes, that dictates when and how we age. Next, we move to error theories. These theories propose that aging results from random cellular changes. Errors in cellular function pile up over time, causing deterioration and ultimately, aging. Then we have genetic theories which place a significant emphasis on our DNA. They argue that our genes play a crucial role in determining how quickly we age and the extent to which we experience the effects of aging. Evolutionary theories take a broader view, linking aging to the principle of natural selection. They suggest that our bodies age because we're genetically programmed to prioritize reproduction over longevity. Finally, the biochemical theories propose that aging is caused by certain biochemical reactions. These reactions can cause damage at the cellular level, leading to the physical and functional changes associated with aging. One example of a biochemical theory is the concept of oxidative damage. This theory suggests that reactive oxygen species, or ROS, accumulate in our cells over time, causing damage and contributing to the aging process. These theories, while different, all try to unravel the mystery of why we age and how we can potentially delay it. But what exactly happens at the cellular level when we age? This question brings us to the microscopic world inside our bodies where the real aging process unfolds. Let's start with the concept of cellular aging. This refers to the biological aging of our cells, a process that leads to decreased functionality and increased damage over time. It's like a car that's been on the road for a long time. The wear and tear start to show, and it doesn't run as smoothly as it once did. A key player in this process is something called reactive oxygen species, or ROS. These are molecules produced in our cells as a byproduct of metabolism. While ROS are necessary for some cellular functions, an overproduction can lead to oxidative damage. It's similar to how a campfire is great for roasting marshmallows, but if it gets out of control, it can burn the whole forest down. Oxidative damage is a bit like that out-of-control campfire. It can harm important cellular components like proteins, DNA, and cell membranes, leading to decreased cell function and increased cell damage. Over time, this damage accumulates, much like the rust on an old car. And just like that rust can affect the car's performance, oxidative damage can lead to the deterioration of physiological functions necessary for survival and fertility. So, at the cellular level, aging is akin to a slow, steady erosion. It's the result of the complex interaction between genetics and our environment, a dance choreographed by nature over thousands of years. It's a process influenced by both intrinsic factors, determined by our genes, and extrinsic factors, shaped by our lifestyle and environment. In the end, it's the accumulation of these cellular changes, the wear and tear on our cells, that contributes to the aging process. These cellular changes, over time, contribute to the visible and invisible signs of aging we all experience. While aging is a natural process, can we do anything to slow it down? This question has seen countless studies and theories with some promising possibilities. One such intervention is caloric restriction. This involves reducing daily calorie intake without malnutrition, which has shown in some animal studies to extend lifespan and delay age-related diseases. Another potential method is antioxidant supplementation. Our bodies naturally produce reactive oxygen species, or ROS, that can cause oxidative damage. This damage over time contributes to aging. Antioxidants can neutralize these ROS, potentially reducing this damage and slowing the aging process. But perhaps the most accessible and immediate intervention we can make is adopting healthier lifestyle habits. A balanced diet, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and sun protection not only improve our overall health, but also help slow down the effects of aging. And let's not forget about the social and psychological aspects of aging. Maintaining a positive mindset, engaging in enriching activities, and fostering strong social connections can also contribute to a fulfilling and vibrant life as we age. While we cannot stop aging, understanding its biology may help us age more gracefully, ensuring a higher quality of life. So, why do we age? It's a complex question with many factors at play. Throughout our journey today, we've explored the intricate concept of aging, unearthing the time-related deterioration of physiological functions necessary for survival and fertility. We've delved into the theories of aging, ranging from programmed theories suggesting a predetermined lifespan, to biochemical theories proposing aging is caused by biochemical reactions. We've also ventured into the cellular level changes that occur as we age, focusing in particular on the role of reactive oxygen species in oxidative damage. And finally, we've touched on potential interventions to slow down aging, like adopting healthy lifestyle habits, proper nutrition, regular exercise, and sun protection. While we may not have all the answers yet, understanding the biology of aging brings us one step closer to potentially extending our health span, if not our lifespan.